this is a case of murder, greed, and lies.
As you sit there, I want you to look at her. She's presumed innocent.
Right now, testimony in the Waukesha County eyedrop murder trial is underway. Jessie Krzyzewski is on trial accused of poisoning her family friend with a deadly dose of Visine. 12 News' Hannah Hilliard is live at the Waukesha County Courthouse tonight. Hannah, court is still in session right now?
It is, Kristen. Things appear to be winding down for the night, but the jury just a few moments ago in the courthouse listening to testimony from a deputy medical examiner who was on scene back in 2018. Now, a couple of hours ago, during those opening statements, the jury inside the courthouse for the first time learning just how close this defendant and victim once were. On trial for murder.
Please be seated.
Jessie Krzyzewski at times broke down crying as the jury learned the relationship between her and the person she's accused of poisoning, 62-year-old Lynn Hernon.
Lynn loved Jessie.
During opening statements Tuesday, both the defense and state described a close bond between the two. So close, Hernon made Krzyzewski one of the beneficiaries on her will. But the two legal teams split from there.
Knowing that she was going to be the personal representative of Lynn Hernon's estate, you're going to see that in or about October 3rd, 2018, Lynn Hernon became worth more dead than alive to Jessie Krzyzewski.
The state says Krzyzewski drained Hernon's bank accounts in the 2 years leading up to her death and admitted to handing Hernon water with Visine in it.
She didn't spend the day worried about Lynn. She was opening a JCPenney account in Lynn's name that same morning, and she was using other accounts of Lynn to go shopping, do some online shopping, while she knew she had just given Lynn poison.
For the first time, prosecutors also revealed deleted search history on Krzyzewski's phone that'll be shown during trial, such as, quote, cyanide poisoning and household poisons. But the defense claims it wasn't a poisoning, claiming Hernon liked drinking alcohol and Visine.
She just liked that vodka. She also liked Visine. I have no idea why.
And questioned dying from ingesting eye drops.
And I learned it through this case. That you can smoke all day, every day, marijuana, it can't kill you. Apparently something with your body. And it's like that with Visine. It can't kill you.
Judge, I'm going to object. That's not what any of the evidence is going to come in to say.
Attorney Galaviz, rephrase.
Well, we'll see.
Investigators taking the stand to share what they found when they arrived on the scene in October 2018.
Jessie was the caretaker of the individual that we were on scene with. She saw her that morning, tried to feed her some breakfast. She wasn't willing to eat. Sounded like the individual that had died that day was kind of becoming more increasingly sick as the past couple of days went on, or over the past year even.
Hannah, a lot of details coming out in court, but Krzyzewski's charges carry a heavy punishment if she's convicted.
All right, Kristen. So right now she does face 3 charges. First-degree intentional homicide and then 2 counts of felony theft. If convicted of all 3, she does face life in prison.
All right, Hannah Hilliard reporting live from Waukesha County Courtroom. Thank you.